Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all how to make loki with dry shrooms. Here I have a kg of loki and here I have 50 grams of dry shrooms, which I'm going to boil a cup of water and allow it to soak to remove the extra dry shell that's left onto it. My loki I will peel and dice and rinse, and then I'll come and show you all how the curry is prepared. Here you can see I peeled and cubed and rinsed up my loki, and I also had my dry shrooms soaking for about 20 minutes, and thereafter I deshelled and rinsed out. The rest of the ingredients for my braise I need a 1/4 cup of oil, 4 dry chilies, and some curry leaf. Also adjust the chilies to your taste. And here I had 4 cloves of garlic that I sliced, and half a teaspoon of mustard seed, and a teaspoon of salt to taste as well. This is going to be a very quick recipe, which is going to be a white fry. So let's get started. I've got my heat on medium and my pot is heated up. So I'm just going to add in my oil. And to my oil, I'm going to add in my dry shrooms. I will allow this to fry a little. 1 minute has passed, and I'm going to add in my chilies, my curry leaf, my garlic. I will allow these to fry together. Another minute has passed, and I'm going to add in my mustard seed to the fry. Allow the mustard seed to pop. And thereafter I'm going to throw in a cube loki. Give this a nice mix. I'm going to add in my salt. Mix up. And I'm also going to lower my heat. I will allow this to cook on a very low heat till my loki starts to break down and melt. 45 minutes has passed and my curry is done. My loki was slightly hard, so I added a cup of water to help it get more soft, and I also adjusted the salt, and now we are ready to serve. Here you go, your very traditional meal, loki with dry shrooms, and on the side we also caught some lovely veg pickle that also have some boar and figs to it, and freshly made roti. You can eat this meal with the roti or roll it up into the roti and make roti rolls. That's what I am going to do for our spring day. Sunday afternoon I'm going to make some lovely roti rolls and serve it to my grandchildren. Enjoy our spring day, which is on Monday, and our Joburg is getting a little warmed up. It's time for my gardening. Thank you all for watching, and give this recipe a try. It's a very quick recipe, and also don't forget to watch the recipe we made our dry shrooms with the pumpkin herbs. It turned out very tasty. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.